So hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me Shreya. So today I am here with another makeup haul video of Nykaa and Amazon. So I'm gonna be sharing all the products that I got from Nykaa and Amazon, mostly Nykaa. So stay tuned. So first I'll show you these two lip balms that I got from Nykaa. There was a sale going on Nykaa on Blue Heaven products, so I paid only for one lip balm and I got two. Similarly, I got Swiss Beauty's these two products on sale as well from Nykaa. This red matte lipstick from Swiss Beauty is to die for. I really love this shade and it's super matte. And the other thing that I got is this eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown. It makes it easier to apply as it has a brush in the end. So look the difference, you can see it yourself. Next thing that I got from Nykaa is this set of 30 cotton pads. These are really good. It's not bad. I would say in this price range, it's good. So I usually prefer the liquid nail polish remover more, but this one is not that bad either. I mean, if you are traveling somewhere, then it's very risky to use that bottle. So for those kind of situations, this one is more handy. So the few products that I got from Amazon are these things. So first I'll show you all the Maybelline products, starting with this Fit Me Compact. This is in the shade Warm Nude 128. It is of my shade. It fits my shade perfectly and it blends in my skin like so good. I've used it several times, as you can see, and it's quite handy. It's travel friendly. So the other two Maybelline products that I got are is this mascara and this liner. So first I'll show you the mascara. It's Maybelline's Hyper Curl Easy Wash Mascara. It's not waterproof, but it's good. It's quite good. Doesn't give you a matte effect though, it gives you a rather glossy effect. And now let's talk about this hyper glossy liquid liner from Maybelline. And this liner is amazing. It's so precise. I mean, you can make super fine lines with it. It's like you're using some kind of sketch pen eyeliner. And again, it's not waterproof, but it's really good. And as the brand claims, it's glossy, it's not matte at all. So if someone finds this Maybelline one expensive, so they can always go for something cheaper, but not as a product but only as a price. This L18's eyeliner is amazing. I've used it all my life, so you can totally go for it if you're a little out of budget. Now coming back to the other products that I got from Amazon are these things. So one is a lip scrubber, the other one is a facial oil. So it's not just any facial oil, it's Good Vibes Jojoba Skin Balancing Facial Oil. And talking about this lip scrubber from Sia Secrets, and the ingredients are raw cane sugar, almond oil, cocoa butter, beeswax, licorice extract, rambutan extract and date extract. So when you scrub this product on your lips, you can actually taste all the things that it claims to have. It's quite good. So the last product that I got from Amazon is the most essential thing of daily use, is this Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock of SPF 50. It's really good. So the small Amazon haul is done, and coming back to the Nykaa haul again. So this foot cream is for my mom. It's for winters actually. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure it's gonna be great because it's from Wadi. This aromatherapy body oil It's for winters again. I used it a little. It's little sticky for this season. So coming to my favorite Wadi set, this beautiful 6 set of soaps, handmade soaps. It's a very beautiful packaging. So first I'll cut off this plastic cover. I really like the small details that they add to the handmade products, especially. They make it look so pretty. I really can't wait any longer to see the soaps. I mean, if the packaging is so pretty, so imagine how the soaps would be. So first I'll take off this ribbon and then I'll finally open this cloth thing. Finally then I'll see the soaps. So as I couldn't wait any longer, I was getting so impatient, so I decided to cut the ribbon off. So finally, revealing time. Oh my god, there's another packet wrapped. So I have to cut this off again and then I'll show you all the 6 soaps one by one. Even my cat is getting impatient now. So I really like all the 6 boxes so much. They look so pretty. So now I'll show you the soaps one by one. So first up we have this Wadi's Enchanting Rosy soap. And the other one is Saffron soap, and this is Chocolate and Mint. This one is my favorite. And this one is Lavish Almond. And my other favorite is this Heavenly Lavender. And lastly, the Neem soap, Purifying Neem soap. So I'll start unboxing this and I'll start with this Neem one only. Look how pretty it looks. Now I'll show you my second favorite, the Lavender soap. Wow, it's amazing. I wish I could help you smell it. They smell so good. Wow, this is so good. Mint and chocolate. Wow, this actually smells like real saffron. And lastly, I have this almond soap. I mean, can you imagine a soap of almond? It's gonna be that good. And sorry, that wasn't the last one. This is the last one, but not the least. This rose soap. It looks so pretty and it's transparent. Yeah, that was the final product. So with Wadi's all these products, I got a free gift as well. Ta-da! I got this Wadi strawberry face wash scrub with mulberry extract. I've used it once or twice. I'm not a big fan of strawberry though, but as a scrubber it's very gentle and it really does the work. So yeah, this is the final unboxing reviewing video. So I actually made it in 2 parts. I forgot to record the rest earlier, so by this time you can see there are some things missing, like I don't have all the soaps that I had earlier. I have shortage of 2 soaps, and I don't have the lip balm here anymore. So these were actually gifts for my friends for Friendship Day and for birthdays, so they are gone by now. So yeah, this was my Nykaa haul video. I hope you enjoyed all the products that I showed you. This is actually a huge box. I can't hold it any longer, and it's very hot today as well. I'm sweating like anything. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this. I actually enjoy making these product review videos. So if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, share with your friends, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on any of my videos. Bye.